The best soil for containers. The best soil for containers will depend largely on what you are growing. When container gardening, wicking tubs, grow bags or good old-fashioned pots also determine the best soil mix because different water needs exist. Read this article to learn more about choosing and making your own soil for container gardens. Folks, when it comes to container garden soil suggestions, I am not going to mince words. Cheaper is not always better. You are, after all, raising food for your family. You can't create a healthy body on cheap junk food, and you can't produce nutrient-rich veggies with free Craigslist dirt or packets of compost that don't specify their components. Furthermore, low-cost potting soil may include fungus, gnats or other pests. The cornerstone of plant development is soil. Plants in pots rely on you, the gardener, to give them the best soil for container gardening so that they can thrive. Layering several types of soil, organic fertilizers, and organic soil additions might result in the ideal soil for container gardening. Even some growing kits would benefit from using your own soil mix. One of the most common mistakes people make when designing container gardens is failing to invest in high-quality potting soil. Consider your garden potting soil to be the plant's basic meal. Feeding your plants cheap, non-organic soil from a large company is the equivalent of feeding your body junk food. This will only get you so far before you begin to feel awful. It's the same for your plants. Soil color is one of the few reliable markers of nutrient concentration. The more organic content a soil has, the darker it is. There are, however, certain exceptions. The more organic a vegetable soil is, the more nitrogen it contains and the better its texture. Because nitrogen is one of the most important elements for plants, you should think about it when buying your next soil. When selecting the best dirt, you should also consider texture, fragrance, and color. A good vegetable-producing soil should smell earthy and have a somewhat sweet scent. Thanks for watching Best Soil for Containers. Click the like button and subscribe for more info or click the link in the description.